This is my face after being in the Miami sun for 6 hours. Y'all better get into that makeup routine, okay? Hey y'all, it's Jayla aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm getting ready to do my makeup and we're gonna get ready together to attend our very first influencer events with an S, because we are going to not one but 2 different influencer events today. I'm super excited. I have about an hour to do my makeup, so I need to go ahead and get started. I'll try to talk a little bit, show you the products that I'm using. I'm also gonna be trying to drink my tea. I have some English breakfast tea with some peppermint tea mixed together, chill. Try to wake me up, keep me bright, keep me alert, because we are going to be at events and interacting and socializing and networking and all of those things, which if you watch my channel or any of my Get Ready With Me's, you know that I'm actually an introvert and I also have social anxiety. So I'm very excited about these events, like, do not get me wrong, but I'm also trying to mentally prepare myself for it. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna go in with this IT Cosmetics Hello Sunshine Invisible Hydrating Serum Sunscreen and SPF 50. We are going to be, I believe, outside in Miami Beach for these events. So I definitely want to make sure that I have on my sunscreen. My skin is nice and protected. Now, I have been using this sunscreen for like, I don't know, a month or so. And I've actually been using it as makeup primer as well. It doubles as a makeup primer, and I have not had any issues with my makeup sliding or moving while I've been wearing this sunscreen. I would highly recommend. It does not leave a white cast. IT Cosmetics did send that to me, so thank you to IT Cosmetics. I'm not going to switch up the routine. I was going to add an actual primer, then Milk Makeup. I may actually add it. The Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, I'm just going to add a little bit in like my T-zone area. Just because, again, I think I'm going to be outside in Miami Beach during the hottest time of the day. You know, when you be at people's events, child, you got to come correct. All right. So I've been wearing the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation lately in the color Bahia. This is one of my darker foundations. We are in that summertime, and I definitely have had to switch up the foundation shades that I've been using. Now, NARS, I feel like y'all foundations cost too much to not come with the pump. Just my personal opinion. Oh, by the way, using the Makeup by Mario foundation brush. I have loved this brush for my foundation and concealer ever since I got it. But let's talk about the events that I have been invited to. So the first event that I'm going to today is by the company Happy V, which is a company that is actually based here in Miami, Florida. So I'm just very glad to connect with local companies and, you know, just like get to know the Miami community, Miami beauty community, Miami influencer community. So Happy V is a company that is all about vaginal health and overall wellness, destigmatizing the conversation around like vaginal care. They're offering facials, they are doing flash tattoos, they're gonna have a jewelry bar. Like, they have very fun activities planned, and I'm just very excited to get to know the brand, get to know the products that they're featuring a little bit more, and obviously like have fun doing activities. This is the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the color caramel. But yeah, y'all, that is the first event that I'm going to. And again, thank you to Happy V for the invitation. The second event that I'm going to is actually by Kayali. If you don't know about Kayali, Kayali is a fragrance brand that is part of Huda Beauty, ran by Monica Tan, who is Huda's sister. Y'all watch my channel, y'all have seen a Kayali review on here. Y'all know I love me some fragrances, and I was so excited to get an invitation from them because I definitely be using my Kayali fragrances. I've owned like 4 or 5 Kayali fragrances, and this particular event is for the launch of their newest fragrance, which is the Vanilla Rock Candy Sugar. I think that's what it's called. It's basically a new take on their cult classic vanilla fragrance, which is like the most popular fragrance that they have. They have a great social presence and community aspect, so I'm just excited to again connect with them as a brand. I just added a little bit of that thin Fenty Hydrating Concealer, add some brightness. I'm going to use the Fenty Matchsticks and Truffle to do a little bit of contouring. But yeah, other than that, I just want to say I'm so grateful to be at the place where I'm getting invited to influencer events. Like, these are literally the things that I've dreamed of doing, and I can't believe it's actually happening for me. I feel like I'm in a good mood. Again, just checking in with myself and knowing my social anxiety and stuff like that. I feel great. I was definitely anxious, like waking up and starting the day, but I'm feeling really good. I think coming on here and talking to y'all is also helping me feel better. But thank y'all for being here, for watching my journey, for supporting the journey. And it's just very nice that I get to come and share these types of things with y'all. Like, oh, we made it. We made it to an influencer event. Get into it. Going in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder in the color Banana Bread. I'm going to set all my conceal areas. It's gonna be a very important step. I'm about to be outside. I'm gonna take these Huda Beauty triangle puffs that I have, and I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush setting powders. This is in the color 2. I'm gonna set all of my highlighted areas with this shade. That shade 2, I'm gonna take shade 3, my skin tone shade, my smile lines. This is my Mented Cosmetics blush in Peach for the Stars, and as you can see, baby, she's broke. I'm gonna mix that with the shade Buried Away. Give myself a nice little sunset blush moment. Now I'm gonna bronze her up using this palette that is not available anymore. I be feeling bad sometimes when I be using products that y'all can't get y'all hands on. But also, it's like, what I'm supposed to do, throw it away? Let me use it until it's gone. Go back to my Huda setting powder and use a larger triangle puff to really clean up my bronzer and everything. Little bit of the Fenty powder foundation on the forehead in 385, just to make sure my contour and my concealer are blended. Slightly deeper on the eyes with some darker bronzer. And I just noticed that I like to use bronzer a lot more than eyeshadow on my eyes, because bronzer just blends in better for me. Alright y'all, now I'm about to spray this face down. I'm gonna go in first with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Y'all was supposed to remind me to drink my tea. First round of setting spray is pretty much dry, so I'm going to go in with my highlighter, again from this bronzer highlighter palette from Fenty, but they do not sell it anymore. Now I'm about to go all the way back in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and I'm going to take the color Adorn, which is like a bronzy gold color, and this is going to be my lid shade. Again, just going for very bronze. I've been on the beach all day, which is basically going to be my life today. So that is the look that I'm trying to evoke, so I can show up to both events looking good. Get up here. Let's dance. Let's dance. Now we are ready for the second round of setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter, which I need it to be an all-dayer and an all-nighter, okay? Period. Now I'm gonna do my eyes off camera because I'm running down on time, but I will be using the Maybelline Build-A-Brow on my brows. I am going in with the YSL Lash Class Mascara, one of my favorite mascaras. And then I probably won't do my lips until like I have on my whole look, just because it's really hard for me to choose a lip until I can see the whole vision, you know? I'll be back when we're ready to like put some clothes on, which needs to be really soon. All right, y'all, makeup is 99% done, and the face is definitely beat, and it's definitely bronzed, and hopefully it stays all day. But now I need to figure out what the heck I'm gonna wear. So I'm gonna start with my second event outfit, which is the Kayali event. It's later on in the day. I have two options, not really sure what I should wear. The attire is sweet as candy, and the like color theme is like purples, lavenderish with a little bit of pink. I have two different dresses here, and I'm just not sure which one I should wear. This one I feel like is the perfect color match for all of the like event promo and stuff I've been seeing. Like, this is the color of the bottle. However, this is a mini dress, and I'm just not sure if I want to give mini dress at an influencer event. So I also grabbed this dress, which is not a mini dress. It is a maxi dress, white sequins, but the sequins are like purple and blue, so it still kind of hits a theme, but obviously just not as good as this one. Well, I'm gonna put this one on first and see if I don't like it, and if I don't like it, then I'll be wearing the other dress. Of course, the thing ain't laced the way I need it to be laced. Child, let me fix this. I'm wearing it, guys. I'm wearing it. I don't think it's too short. Don't mind all that stuff on the ground. I don't think it's too short. I thought it was gonna be worse than this, but it's not bad, and I think it's the perfect color. So I'm wearing this. And I think I'm gonna wear these little cute, like, chunky gold heels with it. Wedges, because they're easy to walk in. Okay, I'm excited because I really wanted to wear this. I think it's the perfect color match. Now let me go ahead and get the first outfit situated, which is the one that I'm gonna like wear right now. Okay, this was outfit idea number 1, but I don't like it on. This one again is supposed to be kind of like beach chic. This is not giving me beach chic. I just wish I had a non-black skirt. I think that would be a lot better. And this top is definitely not doing it for me. I also have this top, which I'm going to put on with this skirt to see, but I don't know. It's kind of throwing me off altogether. I think the skirt is too dark. Now this top is much better, much closer to what I think they are looking for in terms of attire. So I like the top. I just don't like it with the skirt. But I'm gonna try this skirt with one more top. It's actually a top that I got from TJ Maxx yesterday. All right, y'all, this is the top that I got yesterday from TJ Maxx. And it's a wrap top, so it's basically like a tube top here. And then it has these 2 sections that you cross over. And it ties basically like this, or you can kind of tie however you want to. And while the concept is cute, it's just not giving for me. Like, this top is not doing it for me. I actually was going to take it back anyways, but I figured I'd just see what it looks like. It's a cute top, but it's just not giving me what it's supposed to have gave. I'm late, and I completely changed my outfit. This is what we're giving. All right, y'all, so this is the look for the first event. I obviously have to finish my lips, but I'm gonna have to check back in with y'all on my phone because I'm running about 20 minutes behind schedule. Okay, but I like the way that it came out, kind of, sort of. Oh well, it is what it is. Hey y'all, we back. I am back from both of my events, and I had a blast, y'all. I had an amazing time at both events, so let's get right into it. I don't know if y'all can see, but I came back with more than I left with, okay? Y'all see my tooth gems? So they're actually doing tooth gems at the Kayali event, and I had to go ahead and do it because I love me a good tooth gem. I love me a little bling bling, okay? So there is a holographic star gem on this tooth right here, and then there's just a little bitty rhinestone right here, and I think it's so cute. The company that did the gems is called Smiles Miami. I'll put their name on the screen so you can see it. So that was at the Kayali event. I'll go ahead and insert a couple of clips in here, but if you want to see the video recaps, make sure you follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at JaiChanellie, because that is where I'll be posting those videos. So that was really, really cool, y'all. And again, since we're talking about Kayali, let me go ahead and show y'all everything I got. So Kayali did not leave us empty-handed. They gave us these cute tote bags. Don't mind the box. It was raining, so everything kind of got wet here. This is the Kayali Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar, which is the perfume that this event was for. Look, they engraved my name in there. Isn't that so cute? Kayali hooked your girl up with... Oh my god! This one is the original Vanilla 28. I quite literally just bought one of these bottles from Sephora because I was just like, I need to re-up, and I really like this fragrance. When I tell y'all, I literally like just used my own money on this, so the fact that they gave me one, we love that. We have the Kayali Deja Vu White Flower Hair Mist. Now, if you don't already know, perfume does have a pretty high alcohol concentration in it, so it's not really good to spray regular perfume in your hair. So I'm glad that they actually formulated a hair mist with fragrance. Q will be using. Now these I just took off of the tables that they had out there. These rock candies. I didn't have rock candy since I was a kid, so I said I have to grab one or two. Again, this is something else I took off of the freaking table. I was just taking stuff. This is a fan, y'all. We have a Kayali Discovery Layering Set, which I actually have owned one of these already. Like, I bought one of these a couple of years ago because I was very interested in trying out their fragrances. So maybe I should give this away, actually, because I know what all the fragrances smell like because I smelled them today. And last but not least, we have this box, whatever this is, a candy bento box from Sugarfina. Cute! All right, y'all. So, you know, I went to another event today as well, and that one was from the company Happy V, which is a Miami-based company, and they gave out these super cute beach totes.
Don't know how I forgot to mention that I got a flash tattoo at this event, y'all. Make sure you follow me on TikTok so you can see the video all about it. I'm in love.
And let's see what they have in here. They literally gave away bathing suits, y'all. I think that's so cute. So these are the bathing suit bottoms. These are from Dippin' Daisies. And then this is the bathing suit top. I thought it was a very pretty salmon pink color. And actually there are a couple of people out there who had put on their swimsuits while they were out, and it was so cute on them. What else they have? So from Happy V, we have some women's daily digestive enzymes, which relieves bloating and optimizes digestion. There we are, get into that. Let's see what else. We have FGBG, Feel Great, Be Great, Soul Goddess Natural Body Oil Blend, which I'm assuming you would put on your body before you try to go out and suntan. So from Miami Beach Bum, we have a hair shield, your reef-friendly hair protector from sun, salt, and chlorine. Oh, I never even thought about that. Like when you go in swimming and stuff to protect your hair from the chemicals. What else we have? This is the Skin Hack Detox Face Oil from Beautyology Lab. Got a beach towel. A cute beach towel too. And last but not least, we have the Happy V Liquid Chlorophyll, which supports digestion and gut health and boosts energy levels. And this is a mint flavor. Thank you so much to Happy V for inviting me to this event and for gifting me these products. I'm very excited to get into them. But yeah, y'all, this event was smooth sailing on their part, but not on my part at all, y'all. I had a little horror story. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. You wanna know what happened to me at this event that almost made me get in my car and go home? Make sure you follow me on TikTok because I'm gonna tell the story time over there, okay? Y'all, my face stays so well. So shout out to the makeup routine because this is my face after being in the Miami sun for 6 hours. Like literally outside events. Both events were outside. So the fact that my face is still sitting, I better get into that makeup routine, okay? Okay. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you enjoyed, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.